Hello friends, welcome to another video. There are so many beautiful birds on this planet that a list of 100, much less 10, couldn't do justice to all of them. That being said, the criteria for beautiful birds for this blog had to be rather strict. First, the bird has to have good proportions. The exotic red feathers of the scarlet ibis are lovely, but the bird has that overlong curved beak that makes it a bit too weird for the list. The flamingo is also too funny looking. Other birds with strange looking or outsized beaks with notable wattles, oversized feet, disproportionately long legs, and casques also don't make the list. Feathers do not have to be very colorful, but they must not give the appearance of having a rough texture or untidiness. The smoother looking the feathers are the better, which rules out a bird such as South America's guira cuckoo. There must be no large bare patches on the head and neck or a notable crop, which rules out most vultures. With that in, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Here are the 10 most beautiful birds in the world. Number 1, Blue-Gray Tanager. This little songbird is blue. It is blue like no other bird is blue. Even the mountain bluebird is not as blue as this bird. Its shades of blue range from Alice blue on the head to cerulean on the breast to purplish blue and sapphire blue on the wings. The wings may be tipped with midnight blue. Found from Mexico to the Amazon to Trinidad and Tobago, this beautiful, noisy bird is as fearless as it is blue. It flourishes near human habitation and secondary forests. Number 2, Gouldian Finch. If a child was given a box of crayons and an outline of a bird, they would probably create something as colorful as the Gouldian finch, one of the most beautiful birds in the world. The male has a red and black face capped with turquoise blue and olive green, an olive green back, a purple breast, a yellow belly, and a turquoise blue rump. The female of this species is also brightly colored, though her breast is more mauve than purple. But this is but one of many color mutations, for the bird was bred in captivity before the Australian government banned its export. One weird thing is that the open mouths of the chicks seem to sport beads that glow in the dark. Scientists don't quite know the purpose. Number 3, Scarlet Tanager. Not all beautiful birds have to be exotic. The Scarlet Tanager is found in the United States east of the Mississippi and winters down in northwestern South America. Though its scientific name is Pyranga olivacea, with olivacea meaning olive green, the male of this common bird is an intense scarlet with deeply black wings. The red is especially vibrant during the breeding season and may even outdo the red of its cousin the cardinal. It is the female who is olive green. Scarlet tanagers adore oranges, by the way. To attract one, impale an orange half on a tree limb. Number 4, Victoria Crowned Pigeon. The Victoria Crowned Pigeon is singular. Found in New Guinea, it is a terrestrial pigeon that lives on the ground. Named for Queen Victoria, it is notable for its crown, a crest with violet blue, white-tipped fan-shaped feathers. The bird has a purplish maroon breast, and it has a bar of pale blue feathers on its deeper blue wings. Even the legs, which are unusually scaly, are attractive. The blue and purplish feathers of the bird contrast wonderfully with its ruby red eyes. Unfortunately, this large pigeon's conservation status is near threatened. Number 5, Turquoise Parrot. Found in eastern Australia, the sexes of this small parrot are sort of similar, though the female is paler. The male is mostly green with a yellow belly, and it's the amazing clear turquoise blue of his face and wings that place him on the list of the most beautiful birds in the world. Not only are his wings blue, but they also have red patches on the shoulders. Number 6, Purple Honeycreeper. Found in the Caribbean and South America, the purple honeycreeper does have a bill that's too long and curved, but its plumage, a startling shade of amethyst, puts it on the list of the most beautiful birds in the world. It's a little bird, only about 4.5 inches long, but the male has those purple feathers with black wings, belly, and tail, all contrasting beautifully with bright yellow legs. The bill allows the bird to sip nectar, especially from bromeliad flowers. Number 7 Mute Swan. With its pure white feathers contrasting with an orange bill, black mask, and long wide neck, the mute swan is the epitome of avian beauty and grace. Found on large bodies of fresh water in temperate zones, the swan is the heaviest of the swimming birds, and though other swimming birds such as ducks and geese aren't necessarily ugly, the swan's beauty seems a miracle. It is also elegant in flight, with the largest birds having a 10-foot wingspan. Number 8 Peacock. The three species of the peacock, Parvo cristatus, Parvo muticus, and Afroparvo congensis, inevitably make the list of the most beautiful birds in the world. With its long train and spectacular coloration, the beauty of the peacock is on the border of sublime and ridiculous. It's no wonder that the peacock is a symbol of overweening arrogance. But this exotic beauty is for a purpose and comes with a price. The male uses his train to impress the females. It takes a lot of provender to keep those feathers in tip-top shape, and the male is, to say the least, easy for a predator to spot. Number 9 Flame Bowerbird. This 10-inch long bird of the New Guinea rainforest comes by its name honestly, for it resembles a torchlight. Its head down to its neck, plumes and shoulders is brilliant red-orange, cooling down to orange, then bright flame yellow on its back and wings. The tail and wings are tipped with black. Like other bowerbirds, it builds a structure, or bower, made out of sticks and decorates it with all kinds of bright and shiny objects such as stones, shells, bits of glass, and even lost coins and jewelry. The bowerbird's eyes are also golden, and he can expand and contract his pupils during his courtship dance, which is crazy. Number 10 Bluebird of Paradise. The male bluebird of paradise has a black head with a white beak and white rings around its eyes. It has a cape and tail of deep turquoise and a black oval outlined in red in the middle of his chest. The tail also bears long wires that end with white spatulas. He has flank plumes that are orange on top and light blue lined with dark red below. This 12-inch long bird would be gorgeous if it just perched on a branch and did nothing, but his courtship ritual turns him into something completely awe-inspiring. He hangs upside down, fans out his plumes, and expands and contracts the oval in his chest while he makes a buzzing noise. Both hens and humans can't help but be impressed.